Guys, welcome to a new video. This is going to be a behind the scenes of a commercial actually for a sunglasses company which is GAST. That's the client, Mattia over there, with Ale is the model. We're gonna start filming now in Milan. Stay tuned because it's gonna be fun and you might learn something new. So we'll catch up after the intro. Guys, and Ale, you can tell he's the model.
Personal one is this is GAST.
This GAST, but we
GAST.
Okay, go and check GAST and Ale.
Dr. Ape.
Dr. Ape, come scimmia. Okay, go and find him on Instagram. We started filming, guys, and we got a shot already. There's not people here, so we can take the mask off, which is good. I'm filming with a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K with two lenses, the usual two lenses I use, 16-35 Canon f2.8 and the 70-200 f2.8, filming at 60 frames per second in slow motion, so we can give that kind of smooth mood to the video because that's what the client wants. And we carry on now in this spot right here without sitting down. We changed the glasses as well, just to feature all the series of sunglasses. I went to decide a few videos with Ale. We are filming two videos. One is going to be in the sunlight, so all the cityscapes you've seen before, and then we're going to use the LED for the second video just to differentiate the two. So we have two different moods, maybe one in slow motion and one in real speed, or a bit like a faster, snappier edit. So we're now finding a tram to film. Play with some tubes, LED tubes. We found this nice corner. So Ali's just playing with the sunglasses and we are playing with the lights. Two cine tubes, go and check my review up here. And we need to find out how to place the tubes. Allora, me la rifai che vieni giù. Ok, vieni. Ottimo. Rialzati pure. You can't film in the city, especially when you are in private places, so what I recommend to do is always ask permission to someone living there maybe, or if you're in the tubes, well, tube stations are quite hard, but always ask for permission without starting filming first. I'm using the Blackmagic Pocket, which takes some photos. It's not a photo camera, so the feature for photography are not great, but still I'm taking some still shots for the client, so you can use them on the social media or website, whatever. And that's why you need to pick the proper camera for the job usually. This is a video, so it's a video camera. My camera is more oriented to videos, but I can still take still photos if I want to, if I need to. So everything influences the choice of your camera. You can go with hybrid cameras, whatever you need. So make sure you have a proper brief beforehand, before the job, to decide the gear you are going to get. Using also the still photos in the video during the edit to showcase the glasses, just the sunglasses, and focus on the sunglasses, so on the product instead of the movement. And that's why we're taking these kind of shots. Già che sei qua, guarda, per favore. Sì, parti da qui davanti alla telecamera. Vai pure. Bello così. I'm using also filters and defilters. This is a variable defilter, so I can change the intensity through the lights change and yeah, just play with the light a bit more. I gave the tubes to Ale and he's just trying to play with them, kind of a music video style. Okay, I'm just doing all handheld, guys. Even the focus, it's all hand focus. Oops, car coming. Bello. Boh, vediamo un attimo come è uscito. Improvvisato sta roba. The 7200 lens, guys, I recommend to take also some details of the city, the trams, buses, whatever you see, traffic lights, all this kind of stuff will help you in transitioning from a clip to another and to show the city as well. So very helpful in fashion videos as such. We changed the location, we changed the model, we have Bruno on board now. Location is pretty cool actually. This is Famagosta in Milan. There's a big car park and we're just placing Bruno right here and I'm just following him alongside. Bruno, ti presento a YouTube. So this is Bruno, guys. Go and follow him on Instagram. Qual è il tuo Instagram? That one. I'm gonna put the link down here. Se riesci a camminare su una linea retta mi fai un favore, così non cambio il fuoco. Ok, vai pure. Switching the lens again, going for the 7200, the beast. This is pretty cool actually, filming fashion. GAST, com'è? Go and buy GAST. Okay, we're now trying to film Bruno over there, just a close up with the sunglasses. I tried to put something in the foreground as well to give a bit of depth to the image. Bella così già. So direction, point of view, guys, always try to make up a story, try to build a story. So the character walking and posing and try to link the clips basically. When you're filming, if you notice any brand in the background or in the buildings, maybe you want to cut it out to avoid some extra promotion or some restrictions to your video. So that's something you need to think during the filming first. There's a big logo there, so I'm trying to cut it out. Other tip, guys, play with the symmetries of the building. So if you see anything cool with shadows and highlights, just play with stuff, make it artistic, because that's what fashion needs. Alright guys, this is the end of the episode. I hope you learned something new and you enjoyed. Go and follow Bruno right here on Instagram. Hai anche un YouTube?
Airbnb, no.
Just go on Instagram. We put the link down here.
We had a great day.
Follow GAST.
Enjoy Mamo hair channel.
Yeah, please do subscribe right now. We'll catch you in the next video.